They wrap food. They shade homes. But did you know banana leaves may heal your body too? This humble green leaf holds secrets passed down for generations. And the best part? It's 100% natural and everywhere. From India to the Caribbean, from Thailand to South America, banana leaves have been used in Ayurveda, traditional African medicine, and ancestral island remedies. Used to cook, cover, or calm, they've always been more than just leaves. But today, science is finally catching up. Anti-inflammatory properties relieve skin rashes, burns, and insect bites. Wound healing sap from the leaf helps disinfect and close small wounds. Detox support, used as wraps in herbal steaming to promote lymphatic drainage. Antioxidant boost, contains polyphenols that fight oxidative stress. Digestive aid, when used to wrap food, banana leaves help preserve nutrients and reduce acidity. In many cultures, people sit, sleep, and even sweat on banana leaves to cleanse their energy and body. You can use them as a wrap for herbal compresses, in steam baths, directly on skin, fresh and clean, to line bowls for detox drinks or infusions. Avoid using pesticide-sprayed leaves. If you have sensitive skin, test first before full application. This isn't new. This is ancient knowledge, from a time when healing came from the land, not the lab. Banana leaves remind us, simple things can be powerful when used with intention. Did you grow up seeing banana leaves everywhere? Now you know, they're more than decoration. Like, share, and subscribe to Herbal Mind for more herbal secrets and plant wisdom. Let's go back to nature with knowledge.